Hello guys, welcome back to my another video of Linux tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to use man command in Linux. So let me give me about man command. Man command in Linux is used to display the user manual of any command that we can run on the terminal. It provides detailed view of that command. So let me show you with the practical how to use man command. So let me open my terminal. So I had here opened here. So to see the manual of any command, you have to just type here man and give the command in which command you want to see the manual of that. So here we will type. So let me show you ls manual of ls command. Just type here man and space with that what command you want to see the manual of that command. So you will type just say man ls, press enter. So see here it is giving me output screen. In my screen you will see at first it is giving the name, what is the name of that command which you have given ls. So and what is the working of that, it is showing here. See here list directory content, what ls do, list directory contents. And at the second section it is showing synopsis. So ls how in synopsis basically it is giving me like how to use that command, like ls. See here and here showing ls with option and the file. You have to give the ls option and file. If you see in bracket, in square bracket, so it is mean it is optional. You can provide or you can not provide with this command. So at the last you can see here three dot after option as well as after file it is giving three dot. This means you can use any option, means you can use one option or many option with that ls command, or you can use one file or many file with ls command. So it is about synopsis, how to use the command, that command. So at the third section it is giving me description, like what is some sort of description, like how to what is the ls and how to use. And here it is giving me all the option how to use the ls command. See here hyphen is used to the show the hidden directory and file. So I had made on this video ls how to use that, you can also see that. And if you want to see the manual of the ls command, then you can type here man and ls and you can view the manual and find there is so many options. See here there is so many options given, so you can use with your and just explore this. So, at the here it is showing exit status. This means if you get this 0 or 1 or 2, this means if you get 0 it's okay, means it's a successful run. If you get 1 then problem, something problem is a minor problem. If you 2 get, then it is serious trouble, means getting error like this. So 2 means basically error coming. So at here at this section, at author section, you will get the basically author name, and here it is reporting bugs. See here copyright, here it is giving the license of that command. See also if you want to quit from that main page, then you have to press the q button from your keyboard. I am going to press q. So it is just from the manual. So now I am going to show you the manual of man command. If you want to see the manual of man command, just type man and the man. So I will press enter. See here it is giving the manual of man command. So here it what you had shown is, I had shown in ls, manual of ls, that's in name. It is giving the name and what is the working of that man. So an interface to the system referral manual, it provides the manual. So and it is how to use that. See here how to use that manual. It is giving man option. So you can see that at description it also showing that how to use and what is the use of man command. At here some section is giving. If you want to specify some section, I want to see that, you can see here name synopsis configuration. So this is the, and if you see that here it there in some manual some example also given, like man ls display the manual page. So like how to use here man ls man. So in some manual or many manual, if you can find example also given. So here description option. So if you want to find anything, just if you want to search anything and you want to search forward searching from up to bottom, then press here slash and then specify the string name. So if you want to find, like I want to find example, where is the example? So in this here you can see here it is find example. So this is forward searching. If you want to search backward searching, then press question mark and with the specified name. Let me press man or synopsis and press enter. You can see here at the first line it is showing synopsis. Wherever it find that string, it will go at there and show the all the output. So if you want to find forward searching, then you have to press slash with the string name string, and if you want to search backward searching, then you have to press question mark with the string name. So this is the overview of the man command, how to use and how to utilize this man command. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. So thank you. Bye bye.